Hi, second graders. Happy May and happy Monday. It's Miss Dunning here. I am going to finish out the month of May number corner with you. So I'm so excited to be able to do this again with you all. And arrows, and we're moving across grids. I am so excited to find out what the unknown picture is with you all. So remember that you will need your something to color with, your pencil, and your number corner book. Remember, we're going to be using this page 85 every day. So I want you to make sure that you have it with you and that you are ready for the lesson. So if you need to pause the video, pause right now and go grab these supplies. All right, friends, so we have a couple days that we need to catch up on. So you left off on Friday, May 7th with a big green square. So we are going to do May 8th, May 9th, and today, Monday, May 10th. So let's just jump right into it. So for our weekend days, Saturday and Sunday, we don't have any kangaroo facts. So we are just going to jump right into our grid. So I noticed that we have a big full red square. We have an arrow that goes up and then two arrows to the left. So I'm going to grab our calendar grid observation here. I'm going to put in our date today, maybe. Oh, there we go. Let's see what it's. Interesting. The date is in here, May 8th, and then it's not 270, but it is 370 where we left off yesterday. And then you noticed in our squares, our kangaroo square, it was one up and two to the left. So I added in those arrows, one up, two to the left. So let's jump to our picture grid. We are going to start at 270. Now remember, when we go up, we are taking away 100, right? Because it's 100, 200, 300, right? We're taking away 100. So from 370, I'm going to go up to 270, and then I add two arrows to the left. So I'm going to be subtracting two sets of 10 or 20. So 1, 2. My 250 square, I'm going to be coloring in red. So I'm going to take, I'm going to use my highlighter and get red. And I'm going to highlight in 250. Now, when we looked at our calendar square, you could tell that it was a full red one, which means we're going to fully cover it. I'm going to go jump back down to our calendar here, and I'm going to put in our equation. So we had 370. Let me get through our arrows here. So we had 370 is where we started. Then by going up an arrow, we subtract 10. And then two arrows to the left is minus 20. So we subtracted a total of 120. Ooh, and what number did we land on? You're right, we landed on 250. So I'm going to put in 250. Then I will also put 250 here for where we ended. So that is Saturday, May 8th. Now we're going to jump down and we're going to look now at May 9th. Remember, because we have to do 3 whole days today. So taking a look at May 9th, I noticed that we have a green, full green square, and we are going to go down 2 and to the right 2. So this is going to be a big one. So let's head here and put our date in. So this was Saturday, May 9th, or Sunday, May 9th. And remember, we left off on 250. Now, I have to remember, let me go back. 2 down and 2 to the right. Okay, so I'm going to grab this. I'm going to go, this is a little big, let me make it a little smaller. 2 down, 1, 2, and 2 to the right. 1 and 2. And I'm going to be coloring it in green. Okay, so boys and girls, let's jump back here now. So we ended at 250. I'm going to make this green because that's the next color we're using. So we're going to go down 2. That means we're adding 100 each time. So plus 100, plus 100, and then we're going to be going to the right 2, which means we're going to be adding 2 groups of 10. So 1, 2. And then it was a full green square that we saw, so we will be filling in the full green. And we left, and then we ended with 470. So I'm going to jump back to our calendar grid. I'm going to go here. I'm going to put a bunch of spaces. So we had 250. Remember that each arrow is equal to 100, so we added 2, so plus 200, and then we go to the right, we're also going to be adding, and we're going to be adding 2 groups of 10 or 20. So we added a total of 220 to our grid, and that got us to 470. All right, boys and girls, so we are now caught up from the weekend, which means now we get to work on our grid for today. So now we're going to jump down. Today is Monday, May 10th, 2021. I cannot believe it is already May 10th. Let's take a look at our fun fact for the day. So we have that 2 joeys, remember joeys are small kangaroos, our baby kangaroos, can fit in 1 pouch. So think of a mama kangaroo. She can fit 2 of her joeys, 2 of her little babies in her pouch and be able to hop around, which is so, so cool. So I'm going to move our fun fact for the day. Ooh, and we have a picture today, boys and girls, which is kind of fun. It's different, right, for us. So it has 470, and if we go back, if we go up, and we go over 1 to the left, it looks like that's where our kangaroo is. So let's think about it. We're starting at 470, that's where we left off from Sunday. So minus 100 and then minus 10 gets us to 360. And it looks like our red, we're going to color in fully red. So let's jump to our calendar grid. We're going to add another day, May 10th. We left off on 470, which it reminded us in that top corner there. And one more time. So this is where we started. Up and to the left 1. So I'm going to draw up and we're going to the left 1. So we go here, and remember we're using red. So I'm going to change my highlighter again. So we're switching between red and green today. So many different colors. So up 1 to the left 1. We left off at 360. 360. It's also the number of days we have in a year, which is kind of cool. So let's do our calendar now. Our equation for our calendar. So again, 470. Remember when we go up, we're taking away 100, and we went to the left, which means we're also taking away 10. So we took away 110, and that equaled us how many? Yeah, 360. So we are now officially caught up in our calendar grid, which is so, so exciting. I'm so excited to continue seeing what our mystery picture is for this first round. So you can put away your number corner book. We are not going to need it for the rest of the day. We are going to hop to our rectangle here. So as well as looking at a unknown picture, we're going to be talking about different ways that we can make rectangles. So in front of you, you will see I have 2 different ways that I have put together 8 squares. So I have this first way and I have the second way. So what do we notice about the 2 different ways that I put these, I arranged these 8 cubes? You're absolutely right. So this one is 2 rows of 4. So if I do 4 plus 4, I equal 8. You can also look at it as 4 columns of 2. I could do 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and get 8. Notice that I labeled my rectangle a 2 by 4 rectangle. Now the difference is this one is a 1 by 8. So I could just do 8 plus 0 equals 8, because that's my one column of 8. I could also do 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's a lot of different ways that you can fill in these rectangles. This is a 1 by 8, right? This is going to be kind of the beginning of us being able to arrange different ways when we have a certain number of cubes. So this is just kind of the start to it. We're going to look back at this later this week, and I'm actually going to be giving you a certain number of cubes, and you are going to be writing different equations for me on how you can arrange the cubes. Okay, so you can look at this one by, like I said, 2 rows of 4, 4 columns of 2, right? 2 different equations here. And then this one is just a 1 by 8. So you can just do 8 plus 0, or just 8. And then, or you can break it up and do 8 columns of 1. So a couple different ways that you can look at that. Like I said, we're going to be looking at that later on this week when I give you a certain number of cubes, and you're going to be finding different ways to make equations. Okay, so make sure you have page 85 done in your Number Corner book. And then today you are going to be looking at some quick facts. So you are going to open your stopwatch on your iPad. You are going to start the stopwatch and answer the circle facts, which today we're doing add 9 and add 10 facts. So you're circling, let me grab mine. So you're going to be circling different facts. So 7 plus 9, 10 plus 6. So you're going to be circling those facts first. Then you're going to start your stopwatch, and you're going to be answering those facts, and then you'll fill in how long it took you to do that. Okay, remember, we're practicing those facts to get to be things that we just kind of memorize, things we just know to help us further in our math. So those are your 2 Number Corner pages for today. Like I said, I'm so excited to be doing this with you guys. I can't wait to continue Number Corner with you. I hope you have a really great Monday, and I will see you again on Tuesday. Bye for now.